I'm not going to open my eyes just yet.
You're all good.
Okay. Is it centered?
Yep.
Is it in the
But
middle?
I'm going to go... I'll do it.
Yeah. Is it... Oh, yeah, that's better. Higher?
Higher.
I could just hear a little jingle jangle. How does it look, guys? How does it look? How does it look? How does it look? I'm trying not to open my eyes. Just so excited. So much longer now, eh? Thank God. How long?
Oh, it's so much longer.
How long have we been trying to like grow it out? Like 4 years, 3 or 4 years now.
Yeah, about 4 years.
Yeah.
Like we'd probably cut it once a year.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. Trying to get that length.
Yeah.
I can't wait till it's down to my bum.
Yeah.
Is it live?
Yeah, it's live.
Okay, good.
Let me just double check.
Does
Yeah,
it say live?
yeah.
Cool. Okay.
It's red.
It's red.
It is red. Oh, bitch, you needed that. Damn.
The face framing.
Yeah.
I couldn't wait to come in. I was like, so I texted you guys yesterday. I'll be there 9:30 on the dot.
And you know what? Miss Marina's always like stopping traffic, and she was early today. And we were like, we were taking our time. We're like, oh, she'll be about 5 minutes late.
Yeah,
Oh no, she was in for us.
I got here like 9:15. I was like, I'm not missing this. Girl, give me that Marina. Give me that hope from Days of Our Lives. Big, bouncy curls.
Babe?
Yeah.
Empty that can.
Oh yeah. Whew. We got that same TikTok one, babe?
Yeah. I just hold it.
Yeah, just hold it. Keep your eyes closed.
Got it.
Got it. Oh, bitch. Let's center her eyes.
Is that me talking about fat fannies?
All right, open. Oh no, right.
What
Wow.
the actual feck?
It needed that, hey.
Oh my.
Didn't it need that?
Duval.
This is the first time she's speechless. She's not like, ah!
Oh my feck.
We have been waiting for ages. We didn't want to cut it, remember?
Yeah.
And now look at that.
Oh my.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. I can't.
Right? And I went a little bit lighter.
My. I'd love, the lighter the better.
Red a little bit lighter.
Oh
the
my
middle.
gosh. What the actual feck? Oh my gosh. What the actual feck? Yeah, empty that bitch in this hair. What do you guys think, guys? There is nowhere you're going to get this kind of blowout. You're just not going to get this kind of hair anywhere else. Sorry. Sorry. You guys got to book in with these guys. Look at this. What is this?
Oh, no.
Holy shazmoly.
Oh, it needed the...
You know what it reminds me of? When we had the extensions in. This is no extensions, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
There are no extensions.
No, it's all her hair.
Oh.
All her hair.
Oh my gosh. What the actual... Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit.
Look. Oh. Look at that cowl, guys. Look at that bounce. Look at that live. Oh my gosh, it's alive, isn't it? You're phenomenal. How do you do that? How the hell do you do that, Duva?
I love working with that type of hair.
Yeah.
Indigenous hair.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then because, you know, like, so Duva cut the frame around my face as well.
Yeah.
So that, you know, we could get that nice little face frame. Ooh, stop.
Yeah.
Stop it, yo. Oh.
I have been dying to do that.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. She back, yo.
Yeah.
She back.
Definitely.
Hi, Trey. Hi, Bix. Wow. Oh. 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 Look.
Yeah.
I without even looking, I just know it's hot. Oh my gosh, the color.
Yeah.
You know I love it this light.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But we haven't done it for 6 months.
We haven't been in the shop for 6 months, guys. All the traveling, all the back and forth. Hi, Lolo. Guys, sorry, but I'm feeling myself. I'm really feeling myself. Oh.
Sis, can you do that bend forward and chuck it back?
Yes.
But bend forward
I'm
properly.
an expert. Oh. Oh.
Yes. That's
Stop
hot.
it.
Wow. Fuck yeah. That looks hot.
The face framing though. How you put around the face like that. I don't know how you did it. Money.
She a bad girl.
She a bad gal.
She a bad
with
girl.
lots and lots of boyfriends. Hopefully 94 and dying and rich. Oh my gosh.
That's the length of the extensions.
That was the length of the extensions.
And that's her hair now.
Oh my. Oh my.
Freaking amazing.
Stop. Okay, I'm gonna walk down the street and see how many like uncles we can pick up. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. June. Hi Jean. Hi Sita. What the actual heck? Now we've got to get the titties out a little bit. Do you know what I mean? They're just hiding in there. We've got to get the titties out. Do you know what I mean? Hair out, titties out, and arse out, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do I look like I could be your stepmom? Oh my gosh. By the way, if there's any beef between you and I, these guys know.
Yes, we do.
They know all the beef going on in my life right now. No one knows your business like these guys, okay? Ima, just pure talent. Hey, okay, put it this way. The question was, what does he use to get your hair to that color? So this guy doesn't even measure nothing. It's all, he literally looks at it and he goes, yeah, that's the one. And he does I've always said this about him, the way he does his chemistry in his colors, and then the cut, and then also don't forget Joe's head massage. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. I'm like, can you massage this too? Oh my gosh. I know, Jean, they are so fucking mimicking me right now. Oh, freaking gosh. Oh my gosh, I look like I could be someone's stepmom, you know? And then I'm going to convince their dad to leave them out of the will. so that I get all his money. Oh my gosh. Oh! Stop it! Just stop! Okay. Okay, guys, seriously, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself at this very moment. You guys can see it in my face. You can hear it in my voice. I'm just overexcited.
Why are you getting your hair done, sis?
Because I'm going to PNG this weekend.
Yes.
I'm going to PNG this weekend. I'll be there with DJ Noise, Bina Butter,
Yes.
Kenyon Brown, with Miss Samoa, Miss Pacific Islands Litara. She's going to be there as well, which is amazing. They've got this, like, the government's holding this, like, beautiful festival. It's like the Pacific Story. Wow. And I'm so honored. I'm so honored. I'm like 45 on stage with all these 10-year-olds, these 20-year-olds. And I'm going to be like, so it's going to be really exciting. And my daughters are coming with me as well. So I'm excited about that. I love it. Is your hair cut into layers? Because my hair don't turn out like that. Yes, it is. So he's cut the layers around the face and then going down as well. How am I going to, you know, I'm normally good at recreating your looks, but this is, I can't recreate this. I'm speechless. My God, I'm speechless. Bloody hell, I just love how light you made it up the top.
Yeah.
My gosh, it looks like ice cream. It looks like bloody ice cream, doesn't it? Oh, look at that bloody volume. Look at that. Sorry, but the volume itself. Bloody hell. Oh my gosh, I look like a peacock. My God, I look like a bird. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at, oh! If my hair don't look like a helmet when I leave here, I don't want it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at it from the side, Diva.
I know, it looks hot.
Oh,
you make it look hot.
you made it look hot. You made it look hot. My gosh. Oh my, but look, Jean, look at the way that he cut the insides so that the body yachty, you know, because there's nothing like having flat hair. Why would you have flat hair? My gosh. If my hair doesn't look like I've got a helmet on, take it the F off, all right? Hi, Francis, how are you? Oh, my God, that's my color.
That's
right
your color.
here.
That's your new color.
That's my color, oh my God.
That's the new Marina color.
That's the new me color, isn't it? That's the new me color. So when you want the same hairstyle, because we've pretty much got the same hair, right? We've got the same hair texture. You come in and you tell these boys, guys, I want the Marina Davis blonde bombshell boom shakalaka, okay? Because there was a blonde bombshell before, but now it's blonde bombshell boom shakalaka. Because look at, oh, I love, oh my, do like,
Bloody Capalaba.
I know. The reception here is just fantastic, isn't it? Look. Stop the show, will ya? Get off now. You've got to go home. Marina, you can't stand in front of the light all day. Look at the volume.
Yes, you can.
Yes, I can. I'm taking it with me, guys. All right, guys. What can I say? The proof is in the pudding, and I ate the pudding. My God. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my. Who is that? Who is that? She's got a lisp and everything. I'm gonna get my man excited when I get home. Y'all ain't gonna see me for a couple of days, okay? Because my man is gonna want this when he gets home. For once. I don't have to force him for once. Oh my.
Yeah, you have to force him off you.
Yeah, now I have to force him off me this time, okay? Oh my gosh.
Do you like those pieces in the front?
Love it.
Yeah. It gives the illusion that your hair is longer.
Ah, that's what I mean. It's just perfecto. Wow. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you.
All good. Don't forget, it's called the Marina
Davis Blonde Bombshell Boom Shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka.
Yeah, okay. Make sure you get the boom shakalaka. Okay, you can't say boom shakalaka. You gotta say boom shakalaka. Okay? Love you guys. Oh my gosh. Duva, I don't even know how I'm gonna make it home. I'm gonna be looking in the rearview mirror the whole way home. Holy thick. Okay, love you. Bye. Bye guys. Bye guys.